in circles.
Today's cash prize of £2,500. The golden balls. A or B. You'll enter a free message. You can also enter for free at itv.com. Entrance must be 18 or over and rights closer.
Jack Sparrow.
Right, I haven't been filming in a while because I've been doing lots of other stuff and been getting money and doing overtime and been doing video projects and doing actual uni work as well. I got new hair. I bought it. No, I paid £30, which is really good, which is supposed to be about from £100, I think. I got it cut, washed, blow dried, straightened, coloured. I got like little bits of red in my hair. But I'm going to get like 2 shades brighter as well when I get paid at the end of the month, which is the end of December. I think that's it for now. Going to SkateX now with Dan, so I might actually film there.
I need some sleep. You can't go on like this. I tried counting sheep, but there's one I always miss.